everyone, my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to be bringing a Christmas Lush haul to you all. I recently collaborated with a few other Lush loving YouTubers whose videos will all be linked down below, so if y'all are interested in checking out more Christmas themed holiday Lush videos, go check them out below. So for this video, we all had a budget of £50, which is about $65 US approximately, and we all went and picked out some of our favorite Lush Christmas goodies or just some Lush Christmas items that we were really excited to try. So I am so excited to show what I picked out for you all. They only had a big bag, but I had to get the bag. I do love the bags, I reuse them, and I recommend that y'all do too, but I am so lucky enough to have a Lush store actually in Boulder, not too far from me, so I ventured down there the other day and picked up some exciting new goodies, and I'm here to share them with you all. So without further ado, let's just hop right in. So the first thing I wanted to show y'all is this bath bomb here. This is the Holly Go Lightly Wonder Ball, and this is actually a 3-bath bath bomb. Let me just reassemble this guy for you. So like I said, it is a 3-bath bath bomb. I'm going to try not to spill the gobs of powder inside of it, but it just looks like this. This bath bomb is lemongrass and bergamot oil scented, and it smells absolutely amazing. I can't pinpoint what exactly I feel like this smells like, but there's definitely another Lush product I've had before that smells just like this. Again, it is that lemongrass and bergamot oil scent. I have my little diffuser back behind me, and lemongrass is one of my favorite oils to throw in there. This is a 3-bath bath bomb, so it does come with 3 baths worth of bath bombs, which is nice. This retails for $9.95 US, and it smells so good. Just because there are 3 baths worth in this one bath bomb, they are a bit smaller. So it's going to be a little less concentrated than some of the other ones might be, but I personally like that just because I feel like my bath isn't very big, and this is just the perfect ratio when I can get these. So we just have this little top piece that pops off just like this, and then this bottom half has 2, and it is filled with this lovely scented powder that I'm going to try not to spill. This bath bomb is also vegan for any of my vegan friends out there. I personally am not vegan, but I do try to use more vegan products and try to use more naked products. So now, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you would know that I'm definitely a snow fairy lover, so of course I had to go and pick up the Naked Body Conditioner. The Naked Body Conditioner just looks like a black pot without the pot around it, of course. This is a naked product, so there is no packaging involved aside from the little paper bag that it goes in. And now this is gonna melt in the hands, so I'm gonna put it back in here while I talk about it for a minute. This Naked Body Conditioner retails for $11.95 US and is 2.4 ounces. I personally prefer the Naked Body Conditioner so much more than the liquid forms in the pot. A, it uses less packaging, and B, I feel like they're so much more rich and lathering. If you're looking for something a bit more thin and a bit lighter, I would tend towards the liquid or the cream formula. However, the naked solid form is so much thicker and leaves almost like a film on your body after you use it. That might sound like a turn-off word, but it is amazing. It is so nourishing and so just moisturizing. You rub it all over your body. I personally love using them after I shave my legs in the shower. So I rub it all over my shaved legs, gently rinse it off, and then you'll get out of the shower and you'll still kind of feel it on your legs. I personally like to keep rubbing it in after the shower, just to let my legs absorb it, and my legs are so soft, so nourished and moisturized, I don't even have to put lotion on top of them. It also helps with razor burn, and of course leaves you smelling amazing. If you've never tried the Snow Fairy scent, it smells like cotton candy and bubblegum and just all things amazing. I would almost describe it as a mix of the pink sugar perfume, if you've ever tried that. It's like something I definitely used in middle school, mixed with the bubblegum Lush lip scrub. So good, so delicious, and I cannot say enough good things about the Naked Body Conditioners. I also decided to go ahead and pick up some of the Yagnog Shower Gel. This is in the 8.4 fluid ounce size, and this retails for $24.95. Lush shower gels are definitely on the more expensive side, but I highly recommend them, and I cannot say enough good things. They are so nourishing and lathering. They foam up and soap up so well, which can help just save you money because you're not using as much as you would need to, and the smells are to die for. I personally like to go with the 8.4 fluid ounce size over the bigger bottle, just because I feel like that way it can mix up my scents a little bit more. I'm currently using a Plum Rain shower gel just because it is discontinued and I had to get one more bottle of it before it left the shop. But I'm so excited to throw this one in there and start using this one soon. The Yagnog scent definitely smells like toffee and caramel. So good, almost smells like a Werther's and butterscotch, and it's just so amazing. Definitely reminds me of just like being wrapped up in a warm blanket with a candle by the fire. This gold iridescent coloring on the inside is also just so gorgeous. This product is also vegan and comes in 3 different sizes. You can buy this in the 3.3 fluid ounces, the 8.4 fluid ounces, as well as the 16.9 fluid ounce bottle. But again, I just opted for the medium size just because it lets me have some more variety in the shower. Last year, I was able to pick up a Yagnog Naked Body Conditioner, which they unfortunately don't have this year, but I absolutely love it. And I wish I would have got more last year just because it was one of my favorite Yagnog products I've ever tried. But they do have a body milk this year, which I have not tried. I was a little bit skeptical, but if any of you have tried it, let me know your thoughts. And last but not least, I went ahead and picked up one more Snow Fairy product. This is the Snow Fairy Body Spray. This is in the 6.7 fluid ounce size, and this retails for $29.95. This is definitely on the more pricey side for a body spray, but all of Lush's body sprays, I believe, are $29.95, so can't go wrong there. I absolutely love the scent. Like I said before, I love just spraying it all over my body, and I love just having it in my room as a scent too. If I ever need to like mist up my closet or just want a fun little scent without burning a candle, I definitely recommend these. The nice thing about these body sprays is they aren't gonna last all day, but they actually last a decent bit. So if you just want to throw something on for a few hours, I highly recommend this. It's not so overwhelming and almost formal in the sense of like a traditional perfume would be, but it's also not so cheap and short lasting that you'll only be able to smell it for 10 minutes. So it's like the perfect balance, and I cannot say enough good things. They all come with this little red tab here, which you can twist back and forth just so that you can't spray it while it's fixed if you ever need to travel with this. And the Snow Fairy one also does have this little pink label, like the other ones do not. This is another vegan product, so if any of y'all are looking for a vegan product, this is another great one to pick up. Just a nice little body mist. And of course, these bottles are amazing. The great thing about these bottles is they are reusable. You can quite easily twist the top off and refill them if you ever need to mist your plants with them, or need another just black container misting bottle for whatever you might need. The great thing about all of Lush's products and their packaging is that it is either A, naked, so you're not using any at all, or that the packaging that they do provide is super reusable and versatile. I personally like to throw some just like Excedrin or some migraine medication in the little Lush pot sample containers. It's so perfect just to throw in my backpack. You can also put face wash when you're traveling, whatever you need. There's so many ways to use Lush's products and their packaging over again. So I highly recommend either A, trading in your black pots for fresh face masks if you can, or finding new ways to use them, just trying to better our carbon footprint and just our impact on the environment itself. So that is all I have for you all today. Again, if you liked any of these products or want to go check out more Lush hauls, go check out the links I have down below to the other ladies' videos. I know I personally love watching Lush Christmas hauls, and it's so fun to figure out what everyone picks out. Again, we had a 50 pound budget. I'm so bad with currencies. 50 pound budget, which is about 65 US dollars. I went a little bit over budget, but it's hard not to when there's so many amazing goodies. So if you want to go see what other people picked out with their budget, I would go check out those videos. But thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your love and support. I hope you all have an awesome day. Peace out. Bye. bye.